This is Mission Control Houston. The Expedition 27 crew working on science activities on orbit while they're also getting ready to discard one component of the space station at the end of the week and prepping for the arrival of a space shuttle in 2 weeks. Commander Dmitry Kondratiev and flight engineer Alexander Samokutyaev completed a test of the manual control system for the Progress supply ship that will be undocking from the Piers docking compartment on Friday morning. Crews are working this week to finish packing it with items that are no longer needed on board the station. In the meantime, Mission Control is developing troubleshooting plans for the remote power controller module on the S0 truss that failed on Friday night. This is not expected to impact the undocking of the Progress ship, though. That RPCM failure took down power to the S1 truss. Although most loads have been recovered, including control of the starboard thermal radiators, that circuit breaker is going to be remaining open, and no attempt to recover it will be made until after the Progress undocking on Friday morning. And there are no critical electrical loads that are downstream of that failed RPCM that would have any impact on the Progress activities.
So as soon as we
Flight engineers Samokutyaev, Andrei Borisenko, and Ron Garin spent time today getting some refresher training on the use of the crew healthcare system before Borisenko spent a few hours on a Russian physics experiment looking into the behavior of charged particles in a microgravity environment. And Garin joined flight engineers Paolo Nespoli and Katie Coleman to unpack items from the automated transfer vehicle while also doing continuing orientation on board the station, adaptation to the station environment, and brushing up on where things are located. All of the crew members are doing all of this work with an eye toward the flight readiness review that will take place at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida on Tuesday, where the Space Shuttle managers will be reviewing preparations for the targeted launch of a Shuttle Endeavour on April 29th on a mission to deliver and install the alpha magnetic spectrometer and an express logistics carrier to the International Space Station, and conduct 4 spacewalks to continue important assembly and maintenance of that orbiting outpost.
Andrei, I think you're right, but let me